The biggest impact on increasing efficiency actually comes from the specialized workstations that we designed together with the employees. We used classic cardboard engineering. The main advantage of this method, of course, is that we developed the solution together with the employee. In contrast to 3D design, which we can look at, but it has much less acceptance here on the production floor.
You're right, Henning. Constructively, of course, it's also very time-consuming, and since the employees are involved, otherwise you could spend weeks just hearing suggestions on how to do it better.
Exactly, and we want continuous improvement. That means we work with a system where we can constantly optimize so that at the end of the day, we become more efficient.
The advantages for our employees are that the workstations are not just one-sided load-bearing, but can be adjusted to their work requirements, so that work is not only more enjoyable, but the physical strain is also reduced. Improvements could be made by making the entire process more efficient. That means we can currently manage and handle a much higher throughput without having to hire any additional staff members.